What if I told you that you could build a complete, move-in ready farmhouse for under $100,000 in 2026? And I'm not talking about some cramped, ugly box. I'm talking about charming, Instagram-worthy farmhouse designs with front porches, open floor plans, and all the character you could want. Sounds impossible, right? Stick with me because by the end of this video, I'm going to show you 10 real farmhouse designs with actual 2026 pricing that will completely change how you think about affordable home ownership. Some of these numbers are going to shock you. And number 7 is so affordable, it almost sounds illegal. Before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe because I'm breaking down honest, real-world construction costs that most builders don't want you to know about. Let's get into it. Design 1. The Cozy Cottage Farmhouse, 600 square feet. Let's start small but mighty. This 600 square foot farmhouse design features 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, an open kitchen and living area, and a covered front porch. The layout is simple and rectangular, which keeps construction costs down. Here's the real 2026 pricing. Shell construction including foundation, framing, roof, and exterior siding runs $90,000 to $120,000. For a complete, turnkey build with all finishes, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, you're looking at $120,000 to $180,000 total. That works out to $200 to $300 per square foot. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you're willing to do some of the finish work yourself, painting, flooring installation, cabinet assembly, you can bring that cost down to $90,000 to $110,000. That's a fully functional farmhouse for less than most people spend on a new truck. Design 2. The Compact Family Farmhouse, 800 square feet. Moving up slightly, this 800 square foot design gives you 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open concept kitchen and living room, and a wraparound porch. This is where farmhouse living really starts to feel spacious. Total turnkey cost ranges from $160,000 to $240,000, which is $200 to $300 per square foot. The shell alone costs about $120,000 to $160,000. If you go with builder-grade finishes instead of custom, you'll land closer to that $160,000 mark. Here's what makes this design smart. The rectangular footprint with minimal corners means less wasted material and faster construction. You're looking at a 3 to 5 month build time instead of 7 to 12 months for larger custom homes. Design 3. The Modern Micro Farmhouse, 700 square feet. This trendy design features 1 bedroom with loft space, 1.5 bathrooms, a gourmet kitchen island, floor-to-ceiling windows, and board and batten siding. It's Instagram ready and perfect for singles or couples. Budget $140,000 to $210,000 turnkey, working out to $200 to $300 per square foot. The key here is those big windows and modern finishes add about 15 to 20% to your base cost. But the resale appeal is significantly higher. A builder-grade version of this same layout runs $130,000 to $160,000 if you skip the designer touches and stick with standard materials. Design 4. The Classic 2-story Farmhouse, 900 square feet. Here's where we get into serious value. This 2-story design gives you 2 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bathroom, open main floor with kitchen and living area, plus a small mudroom. Building up instead of out saves you money on foundation costs. Total cost runs $180,000 to $270,000 turnkey, which is $200 to $300 per square foot. The foundation for 900 square feet costs significantly less than a single-story 1,800 square foot home, even though you get similar living space. Construction time is typically 4 to 6 months, and the vertical design actually makes heating and cooling more efficient, saving you money long-term. Design 5. The Efficient Ranch Farmhouse, 1,000 square feet. This single-story design offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open kitchen with pantry, living room with vaulted ceilings, and a covered front porch. The simple gable roof keeps costs manageable. Expect to pay $200,000 to $300,000 turnkey, which works out to $200 to $300 per square foot. Shell costs run about $150,000 to $200,000. The vaulted ceilings make this feel much larger than 1,000 square feet without adding significant cost. That's a design trick that gives you luxury feel at an affordable price point. Design 6. The Rustic Cabin Farmhouse, 750 square feet. This design embraces the farmhouse aesthetic with exposed beams, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a stone fireplace, and a screen porch. It's perfect for rural or mountain settings. Total turnkey cost is $150,000 to $225,000, running $200 to $300 per square foot. The exposed beams actually save money because you're not finishing the ceiling, and the rustic aesthetic means imperfections add character rather than requiring fixes. Builder-grade materials bring this down to $140,000 to $170,000, and it's extremely DIY-friendly if you have basic construction skills. Design 7. The Budget Farmhouse Special, 650 square feet. Here's the one I promised would shock you. This no-frills farmhouse design includes 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, simple kitchen, and living area. The rectangular shape, basic gable roof, and vinyl siding keep costs rock bottom. Are you ready for this? Total turnkey cost is $97,500 to $130,000. That's $150 to $200 per square foot, which is 30 to 40% cheaper than typical construction. How? Simple design, builder-grade everything, minimal custom work, and efficient use of standard material sizes. If you're handy and can handle interior finishing yourself, you could build this for $70,000 to $85,000. That's less than a down payment on most traditional homes. Design 8. The Family-Ready Farmhouse, 1,100 square feet. This practical design features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open kitchen and dining area, separate living room, and a mudroom with storage. It's designed for growing families who need space without breaking the bank. Budget $220,000 to $330,000 turnkey, which is $200 to $300 per square foot. The 3-bedroom layout adds resale value significantly. While it costs more upfront, this size typically appreciates better than tiny homes. Shell construction runs $165,000 to $220,000. The smart layout minimizes hallway space, putting every square foot to productive use. Design 9. The Modern Minimalist Farmhouse, 850 square feet. This contemporary take on farmhouse style includes 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, open floor plan, large windows, metal roof, and a deck instead of a traditional porch. The clean lines and simple materials make construction straightforward. Total cost is $170,000 to $255,000 turnkey, working out to $200 to $300 per square foot. The metal roof adds $5,000 to $8,000 up front, but lasts 40 to 70 years compared to 15 to 30 for asphalt shingles. This design is popular with younger buyers and does exceptionally well as an Airbnb rental property if you're thinking investment. Design 10. The Luxury Compact Farmhouse, 1,200 square feet. Our largest design gives you 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, gourmet kitchen with island, separate dining room, walk-in pantry, and a master suite with walk-in closet. This is small footprint with big house features. Expect $240,000 to $360,000 turnkey, which is $200 to $300 per square foot. Yes, that's the same cost per square foot as the smaller designs, which proves that going slightly larger doesn't necessarily cost more per square foot. High-end finishes, custom cabinets, and premium appliances can push this to $400,000, but standard finishes keep it affordable. Shell construction is $180,000 to $240,000. The real cost breakdown. Let me break down what actually drives these costs in 2026. Foundation work runs $4,000 to $9,000 depending on soil conditions. Framing and materials cost $150 to $200 per square foot for the shell. Roofing adds $10,000 to $25,000 depending on material choice. Siding costs $12,000 to $45,000 based on material. Electrical runs about $8,000 to $15,000. Plumbing costs $10,000 to $18,000. HVAC adds $10,000 to $15,000. Interior finishes like drywall, paint, flooring, cabinets run $75,000 to $250,000 depending on quality level. Land costs are separate and vary wildly. Rural land might run $5,000 to $15,000 per acre, while land near cities can be $50,000 to $200,000 per acre. Well, and septic add another $15,000 to $35,000 if you're off-grid. The real cost breakdown. Let me break down what actually drives these costs in 2026. Foundation work runs $4,000 to $9,000, depending on soil conditions. Framing and materials cost $150 to $200 per square foot for the shell. Roofing adds $10,000 to $25,000, depending on material choice. Siding costs $12,000 to $45,000 based on material. Electrical runs about $8,000 to $15,000. Plumbing costs $10,000 to $18,000. HVAC adds $10,000 to $15,000. Interior finishes like drywall, paint, flooring, cabinets run $75,000 to $250,000 depending on quality level. Land costs are separate and vary wildly. Rural land might run $5,000 to $15,000 per acre, while land near cities can be $50,000 to $200,000 per acre. Well, and septic add another $15,000 to $35,000 if you're off-grid. Money-saving strategies. Here's how to build smart and save money. Choose stock plans instead of custom designs, saving $10,000 to $50,000 immediately. Build a two-story home instead of spreading out, saving 10 to 30% on foundation and roofing costs. Use standard material sizes to minimize waste. Do your own demolition, painting, and simple finish work. Buy materials during off-season sales. Get multiple contractor bids. Act as your own general contractor if you're organized. Consider a shell package where the builder completes the weatherproof exterior and you finish the interior over time. This lets you move in sooner and spread costs out. Financing in 2026. Construction loans require 20 to 25% down and charge 6.7 to 8.8% interest as of early 2026. You'll need a minimum credit score of 620, though 740 plus gets you the best rates. USDA Rural Development Loans offer zero down options if you qualify and build in approved rural areas. Some people use personal loans for smaller builds under $100,000, though rates are higher. Others buy land cash and save to build in phases. Timeline expectations. Small farmhouse construction is faster than traditional builds. Planning and permits take 2 to 4 months. Construction runs 3 to 7 months for designs under 1,200 square feet. Total timeline from decision to move in is typically 7 to 12 months, compared to 12 to 18 months for larger custom homes. Prefab or modular options can cut construction time to 2 to 4 months, though customization is limited. Why small farmhouses make sense in 2026. Let me be honest about why these designs are gaining popularity. Lower total cost means less debt and financial stress. Smaller footprint reduces property taxes, insurance, utilities, and maintenance. Faster construction gets you in your home sooner. Easier to build yourself or with minimal help. Better resale potential in uncertain markets. Perfect for empty nesters downsizing, first-time buyers, or retirees. The average American family bought 2,000 to 2,500 square foot homes in recent years. But we're seeing a shift towards smaller, more efficient designs as people prioritize financial freedom over square footage. These 10 farmhouse designs prove you don't need $300,000 to $500,000 to build your dream home in 2026. With smart planning, efficient designs, and realistic expectations, you can build a charming, functional farmhouse for $100,000 to $250,000. The key is choosing a simple design, using quality but builder-grade materials, and being strategic about where you splurge and where you save. Design number 7, that 650 square foot budget farmhouse at $97,500 to $130,000, proves that home ownership is still achievable even in today's expensive market. If you're seriously considering building, start by researching your local building codes and zoning requirements. Get quotes from multiple builders. Visit model homes in your price range. And most importantly, be realistic about what you can afford, including land, utilities, and ongoing costs. Have you built or are you planning to build a small farmhouse? Drop your budget and location in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're working with. If this video helped you understand real construction costs, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest breakdowns on affordable housing. Thanks for watching. And remember, small doesn't mean sacrificing your dreams. It means building smarter.